Hiccup. The sun shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop. I sauntered down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? And second, what is that thing you're doing with my shoulders? Yeah, okay, a truly flattering impersonation. Anyway, he goes...
You're the pride of Berk, son, and I couldn't be prouder.
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
Okay, just hold still. Very serious.
You're all grown up, and since no chief could ask for a better successor, I've decided...
To make you chief! Oh, my gods! Hiccup, that's amazing!
Oh, you're gonna wear out the spring coil. The calibration is very sensitive. Yeah, so this is what I'm dealing with.
What did you tell him?
I didn't. By the time he turned around, I was gone.
Huh. Well, it's a lot of responsibility. The map will have to wait for sure, and I'll need to fly toothless since you'll be too busy, but...
It's not me, Astrid. All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing.
I think you're missing the point. I mean, chief. What an honor. I'd be pretty excited.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are, you always have, but I'm still looking. I know that I'm not my father, and I never met my mother, so what does that make me?
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet. Ugh.
Maybe.
Ugh.
But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
Stay close. What happened here? All right, easy, bud.
Hiccup!
What's the tail? Tie those legs up! Is that what I think it is?
Stop! Starfly! What are you doing?
Back again. Soil my britches. That is a Night Fury. Thought they were all gone for good. Looks like our luck's had a turn for the better, lads. Don't think Drago has one of those in his dragon army.
Dragon army?
Look, we don't want any trouble.
Ha! You should have thought of that before you stole all of our dragons and blasted our fort to bits!
Wait,
What are you talking about?
you think we did this?
Dragon trapping is hard enough work as it is, without do-gooder dragon riders sneaking in to rescue them.
What do-gooder? There are other dragon riders?
You mean other than your thieving friend from last night? You tell me. You may have